Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a paneer lover's delight and I can't wait to show it to you guys. It's Dahi Paneer Kebabs. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the Dahi Paneer Kebab, I've taken about 200 grams of paneer, it's grated. This is 3/4 cup of hung curd. You can see how rich and creamy this is. So this is how you want the hung curd consistency to be. Next to this, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, a piece of ginger chopped, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, salt 1 teaspoon. So this is powdered roasted chana dal, about 3 to 4 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons of maida. If you don't have maida, you can use corn flour, some fresh coriander leaves. So now that you've added all the ingredients, gently start mixing it together. So we're going to make a lovely dough. So now I'm just going to cut it into small roundels. This method was easy for me, but whichever is easy for you to shape these little kebabs, you can do it. It's about 1/4 inch thick I'm cutting. I'm just shaping these into roundels. You can see it's easier to do it this way. If you don't want to do this, you can actually take a little bit of the dough and roll it out into any desired shape. So Dahi Paneer Kebabs are ready. Now I'm just going to refrigerate this for about 5 minutes before I shallow fry them. Take a pan, just add very little oil. We're going to shallow fry these kebabs. Make sure you fry the kebabs on both sides till you get a lovely golden brown color. So now you can make these simple and delicious kebabs and enjoy for a get together or for your parties or just when friends come over. It's a great snack, so do try and enjoy it with your family and friends. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.